Big Bob here, and we're gonna do a airplane video. All we got is 2 airplanes, so I'll try to make this work. So let's go into it. 1 airplane. Sorry, 2 airplanes.
There it is. You got it? Yes, it's in the bag. Oh, I'm on the video. I'm sorry. You're welcome.
Whee! Stop! What are you doing? Nothing.
You okay?
Wait, better stop. Hi. Cause it says so. Shut up, you fat pig. I'm massive.
Put your shorts up.
You call yourself a fat pig?
Fat pig. Come on, I need some hot water.
Bruh. I bet I can go higher than you, bud. Oh, yeah? Well, first one to that door wins. Bet. 3, 2, 1, go. How am I falling behind? How am I falling behind? Smack. Beat that. I fell. Oh, I can make it. No, how you beat me? Guys, you cheated. So I got a boost from you. Here. That's magic. Wish I were my buddy. Oh,
I
Aqua!
can't believe that restaurant.
Go.
In all the ways. From the prices to the noise to the. I don't know. That's just weird. I hadn't been in one like that.
I mean,
Well, you think we had
your
5
voices
meals
are
at around $20 a piece?
your voices are in this.
Yeah.
Sorry, baby.
It's okay. Buddy, get your brain ready. What? Go get him.
Sorry, I had already locked it up.
Coco!
Hey, I was just gonna tell you, and you're not being loud, but there's, I met the couple next door, and they have a baby, and they just drove here from Missouri. They just got here, and they told me, they said, I hope we don't keep y'all awake with the baby, and I said, no. I said, I hope everybody sleeps well. I said,
Ooh,
my 10-year-old
cold in
grandson
here.
is
I must
next
be
door, and I'll
up in
make
the
sure he
atmosphere.
stays quiet
I
too,
say,
so everybody can.
ooh, it's cold in
sleep.
here. Must be
So.
some apples in the atmosphere. I said, shut up! It's cold in here. You must be garbage at flying. Oh, I'm actually out of here. Shut up with your bunch of
Hey.
nonsense.
Josiah, I love you.
Must be,
I'm filming a video. I'm so sorry.
must be some F's in the atmosphere. Shut up. Shut up. Coco Fantuele Fantu. Does anybody know what Coco Fantuele Fantu is? Let me know in the comments. Coco Fantuele Fantu. Nobody's ever made it this far, so if you made it this far, please like the video. And subscribe. No, really, be straight. Yeah. And if you want more airplane content like this, just put it in the comments. We'll do whatever the top comment says if this video gets 10 likes. We'll do whatever the top comment says when we get 10 likes. And if you do like a break-in airplane and all that stuff, I don't care. We have a hotel, we have a pool, we have the beach. So do whatever you want. We can do a crash land thing. We can go to the beach and do that. So yeah, so you guys know. So yeah, let's continue the video. I need one of my friends really quick. Friends. Oh freak! I have no friends. Coco friend. I'm a coconut. Hey. Oh.
You want to turn around with a plop plop in the floor.
Well, you give me a kiss later.
Huh?
You give me a kiss in the mouth later. In the mouth.
Okay.
You know how I like it.
Oh, I'm a blue shit. I'm a bluebird. I'm a bluebird. I'm a bluebird. Quick, I gotta go in my house. You have no house, bud. That's my house. Oh, frick! I'm stuck. I'm flying. Ha! I'm stuck with this stupid hat. Fling it off. Get it off of me. Get it off. Finally, it's off. Now I can go back to wreck it. Rec room. Rec room activated. Whatever we place over here can get removed. Wait, we can? Yeah. It's a floating hat. See, look, put Aqua over here. Aqua can get taken. See? What's with the phone? There's the phone. Well, it's Aqua over there. Aqua, what you doing, Aqua? Aqua. Coco Fanto. Please, Lord. Let's go to the other bed. Here, have a ride.
And your hat on the doorknob there. Here's the
Let's ride.
Taylor's couple.
We're riding.
We made 'em.
We. And we are here. And we need
We're,
and
the rest of the eyes in it.
Rick.
Put some in my foot.
Welcome to Gorilla Tag. What would you prefer? Would you like to act a cleaner like you shadow racist? And if you make it all the way to 8 minutes, if you made it this far, please subscribe. We are a multi-channel, so we do stuffies, airplanes, even VR like Gorilla Tag. And if you go to our second channel, subscribe to that one also. Please subscribe to our second channel. Just add a 14 to this one if you found this one. Yep, and if you're subscribed, I really appreciate it. And subscribe for a cookie.
And I'll put you. Okay.
Just let you know if you see this video. Subscribe for a cookie. A cookie. Cookie. I'm calling 911. They didn't answer. They didn't answer? Yeah, because I forgot the... I'm going up my... You like to go with me? Go with me. Bro, come here. What do you want? What do you want? We are in a secret bunker. What are you talking about, secret bunker? Secret bunker. We are in a secret bunker. Wherever we go, offline. No, bro. I gotta go save him.
Put the eyes on your band. Yes, we do.
Oh,
Okay.
Whistle.
Alright, if you made it this far, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and comment. Chicken Jockey. And end the video. Bye bye.